Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Openart for bulk image generation. We'll walk through a simple workflow that turns one idea into many images at once, using Openart's variations and batch tools, so you can explore options quickly and consistently. This method is especially useful when you want to experiment with different styles, compositions, or visual treatments without having to start from scratch each time. First, open the Openart homepage in your browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Image. This takes you into the image creation workspace, where all the controls you need live in one place. You'll see general creation options, but for bulk outputs based on a single starting point, we'll focus on variations. Using variations is a great way to see multiple interpretations of a concept while maintaining consistency with your original image. Next, switch to Image Variations. This mode is designed to generate multiple takes on the same concept. At the top, choose a model. Different models favor different looks and strengths. Some lean photorealistic, others are stylized or illustrative. If you're unsure, start with the default recommended model, then adjust later as you learn the visual character you like. For example, if you're generating product mock-ups, photorealistic models help maintain accurate textures, whereas stylized models can be great for concept art or creative storyboards. Now you'll start with an image. Pick a clear, high-quality base that represents the subject and framing you want to keep strong. Source images usually produce more consistent variations. Click Upload, browse to your file, select it, and hit Open. You can also choose an existing image from your library if it's already available. Make sure you have the right to use the image you select, especially for commercial projects. Using well-composed images with clear subject focus helps the AI generate variations that feel intentional rather than random. With your image in place, describe your variation in the text field. Think of this as creative direction. Specify the mood, style, color palette, lighting, or composition tweaks you want. You can call out materials, era, or environment, and note what should remain unchanged, like the subject or layout. Clear, concise instructions help the model stay faithful to your intent while exploring meaningful differences. For instance, you might specify morning sunlight, cinematic shadows, muted colors, keep the subject centered, which ensures the AI explores variations without changing the core composition. Before generating, set the batch size. This is the bulk parameter, the number of variations created in one run. Larger batches surface more options quickly, but they use more credits and take longer. A helpful approach is to begin with a modest batch to confirm the look, then increase the size once you're confident in your prompt and model choice. This lets you experiment efficiently without overspending credits. When everything looks good, click Generate. Openart will process your request and render the full batch of variations based on your source image and description. Give it a moment to finish, then review the results to see which versions best match your creative direction. You can then pick your favorites or refine prompts for additional iterations, helping you build a strong library of creative options quickly. And that's the full workflow. Go to Openart, open image, move into Image Variations, choose a model, upload a starting image, describe the changes, set your batch size, and generate. By following this approach, you can explore ideas efficiently, maintain consistency, and produce professional quality variations from a single concept.